Hello all, welcome to my channel All Set Ready. So today what we are going to see is how to assemble the high pressure washer that we bought. So as mentioned earlier, this is high pressure washer that we have bought from E-Road and this came to us via transit. So the complete unboxing of this product has been posted in a separate video. So I have placed a link in the description. Please have a look. So just as a small recap, this is the machine and it has two pin. So always ensure to use at least a 10 amps plug socket. And the machine specification is 2300 watts and its working pressure is 135 bar and maximum pressure it can go up to 200 bar. So based on the voltage that you have. And coming to the assembling part. So the one at the lower side is inlet, the one at the upper side is outlet. So lower is inlet and upper is outlet. Okay, the next thing we have is this inlet connector. This inlet connector has a thread at the top. We have to just place the thread in the inlet and tighten it. Hand tight is more than enough. It's done. Next we have this quick release. Just remove the cap and you can see a place where the inlet hose pipe can be connected, and on the other side we have the quick release function. Now what we will do is we will place that removed cap in one end of the inlet hose, and then we will try to fix this inlet hose end into this quick release and we will tighten it up. So just tighten this one. Now pull the quick release connector and just place in the inlet connector and push it. You will hear a click sound. With that it gets fixed. That's it. I will show you once again. Okay, the three clips are there, right? Just you have to pull it, press, click. That's it. And now we have the other end, right? So in the other end what we have to do is we have to connect our foot valve, and this foot valve is to suck water from the bucket, and any dirt that we have in bucket should not enter into the machine. So that's the reason we are adding this filter at the other end. This is actually a bit tight, but it's a one-time fix. So yeah, so it's got fixed. Ensure there should be no air leak. We have to place in that way. We are done with that. So now with the inlet part we are done. We have the inlet connector, quick release and the pipe connected. Next thing we have is the outlet. As mentioned, this is a heavy weighted outlet pipe and this is really of very good quality to mention, and also the packing is also very good. So this is the first time we are opening this one. So if you see that they have well packed actually, and also to mention the length is around 6 to 7 meters, which is adequate to come for one round for the whole car. And now let's see the quality of the connector. The connectors are actually of very good quality. So there are two ends and both the ends are the same. So you can use any end for any purpose. So both are actually same. Okay. Now let's get into the connection process of the outlet pipe. So as mentioned, the outlet hose is present at the top. What we have to do is we have to just insert one end of the connector inside that hose. So if you see there's a thread, right? So till that level it will go inside the hose. So I'll show you once again. So yeah, that's it. Next what you have to do is you have to just tighten it back. And this is also going to be a regular hand tight. There is no need for spanner at all. It's done now. And now we have the other end, right? So what we have to connect to this other end is we have to connect the gun. the same way. So just place till the thread level, just place it and tighten it, and this is also going to be regular hand tight, and this is done. So just to summarize, from the machine we have connected inlet connector, then a quick release followed by inlet pipe and the footwall. So inlet side is done, and coming to the output side, it's just a straightforward one. You are just connected the gun. So with this, the whole process of installing this product has been completed. Apart from this, we have the foam sprayer. So foam sprayer is also easy to fit in the gun. Just press and click, that's it. Press and click. Similar way to remove, we have to just pull out with that clip. Okay, and apart from that, we have the tap connector. If you don't want to use bucket, you can directly connect to the tap and you can begin your process. So with this, the whole assembling part has been completed, and we'll close the video for now. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.